wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Pa-subscribe po. Namamas ko po. Alright, so what's up subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. Again, this is Paul Bonin Vargas of Zebianmnl. So for today's video, medyo magiging kakaiba yung video natin since I won't be doing a leather crafting tutorial. Bale, for today's video, I decided na mag-try nung Vlogmas. If you're not familiar with Vlogmas, parang ano siya, parang mag-upload ka ng vlog for December, which is actually for Christmas, kaya Vlogmas kasi vlog, Christmas, Vlogmas. Ooh, I have a pen, I have an apple, ooh, apple pen. Parang ganun. Anyway, so bale, yung Vlogmas is you have to upload for consecutively for 24 days. Sana makayanan ko yun. Alright, and so for today's video, bale, what I'm going to be doing is showing you based on the title, kung sino yung mga possible na pwede nyo i-check out if you're a leather crafter dito sa Pilipinas. Sila yung mga kakilala ko and nahanap ko sa internet na nagla-leather craft na merong YouTube channels. Marami tayong kaibigan na nagla-leather craft pero more on social media lang sila nagpo-post by Instagram or Facebook and wala silang YouTube channels. So maybe I will be doing a different video for that, pero in the meanwhile, ito muna yung gagawin natin. Alright? Ito yung list ng Pinoy leathercrafters gaya ko na nasa YouTube also. So you can also go and check their channels para mas lalo pang lumawak yung matututunan mo sa leather crafting. So first in the list is Rose Leathercrafts. His name is Reynald Olarte, and bali yung ginagawa niya is more on showing us or giving us leathercraft patterns na pwede mong itry. I know meron siyang freebie patterns and meron din siyang patterns na for sale. Sa Etsy shop niya yata yun if di ako nagkakamali. So here's some of his videos. Alright, so that's Reynand Olarte's leather crafting channel, which is Rose Leather Crafts. Alright, next on the list is Mark. It's by Mark Ngo, and nagagandahan ako dun sa channel niya kasi more on ASMR, tapos witty yung captions niya na makakatch talaga yung attention mo. Tapos napakaganda pa nung video kasi cinematic, which is sana ma-achieve ko din. One of these days, who knows? So, check out his videos. Alright, so you have just watched Mark channel, which is by Mark Ngo. So this time, balidako naman tayo kay Luis Ruffino or Gallblader. Bali kay Luis, more on tutorials din, tapos parang on how to sharpen your tools. Kasi more on, nasa ganun yung forte niya. So here's his videos. And next on the list is Sato. More on yung mga leathercraft ni Juan Sato is more on parang makabayan yung theme. And yung pinaka mabenta sa items niya is the Datu. So here's his videos. Alright, so next on the list is also a friend, Janine Nabi, and her channel is 9 Handcrafted. Alright, so these next channels are parang up and coming channels na kakapapanood ko pa lang ng mga videos nila. And one is from PINOY Leathercrafts. Alright, so the next one is from One Leather Goods. And lastly on the list is Towards Leathercrafts. Alright, so that's the list ng mga kakilala ko and mga up and coming na channels na nagle-leathercraft dito din sa Pilipinas. So, if you're watching this video, do also support them. Let's support local. Okay, so kaya ko ginawa yung video na to is para may mas matutunan ka pa and wag ka lang mag-focus sa iisang channel kagaya ng channel ko, which is Zebianmnl. Kasi ako, honestly, natututo din ako kapag nanonood ako ng ibang crafting channels, gaya ng mga nabanggit ko na channels, and syempre yung mga channels abroad. Although may pagkakaiba, and magiging ano mo na lang dun is kung paano mo ihahanapin or yung pinaka-niche mo or paano mo iibahin para mag-stand out ka sa channels nila. Pero ayun nga, sa leather crafting, habang natututo ka, habang nagka-craft ka, mas uunlad yung knowledge mo. And yun yung parang pinaka-goal nung channel ko, Zebianmnl, and it's para makatulong sa mga kagaya mo na nanonood na mas mapalawak pa yung knowledge sa leather crafting. So, ayun. By the way, again, sana wag magtampo yung mga friends ko na nagle-leathercraft din na wala pang YouTube channel. Hopefully, by the next new videos, lagay ko din yung mga channels or mga social medias nyo. And don't worry, I will be promoting it. Syempre, tulungan lang tayo eh. So again, thank you for watching. Again, this is Paul Bonin Vargas. If you love that video, please do click the like and subscribe button. And syempre, comment ka na rin kung ano pa yung mga gusto mong mapanood sa videos natin. And syempre, subscribe, and here is our videos that you can also watch.